What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Finally, over a month later, we're gonna get the truck fixed. Getting ready to take it in right now, get this whole bedside replaced. And since we got that little crack right there, the company wants to replace the whole bed liner. So that's getting replaced. That was about $1,900, $900 something to replace this fender. Then they had to repaint it color match. I bought my own sticker. I didn't want them to put a factory sticker on here, so I'm putting this one back on. I just bought it off Etsy. Oh, right there, a little bit of rust forming on that part. And again, nothing wrong with the suspension, nothing at all. Wheel was fixed because there was a piece of tree like that big lodged in between the wheel and the tire, but that's all good to go. It should be about it. You can see right there where the dent is, where it's like pushing up against there. Keeping my fenders trims. I don't want them to get rid of these. It is just double-sided tape, so hopefully they can hook me up and put some fresh tape on there because it does start to peel away over time. Weather stripping's already on there, so that's all good to go. Other than that, I just wanted to make this quick video. Oh, I think it's like $6,800 or so to get it all replaced. So it'll be looking just like that all the way around. Can't wait for it to be fixed and not have that dent on there anymore. Oh, and now that it's November, let me know what you guys are looking forward to for Black Friday. For me, it's definitely going to be a rear differential, C4 or CBI. No, CBI off-road. They're a rear differential skid plate because the RCI doesn't cover the pinion, and I broke my pinion seal not too long ago, so I'm going to be changing that out. I'll probably end up selling that RCI one. Nothing's wrong with it. It just doesn't cover the pinion seal. What else? There was something else I'm looking forward to for Black Friday. But whatever you're looking forward to, comment down below. I'm interested to see what you guys are looking at doing to your trucks next. RCI is already starting 20% off on their website, so that's definitely huge. Oh yeah, my bed rack. When I hit the tree, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it. There's my bed rack. It'd be on this side, I think. Oh yeah, right there. You can see the huge dent on the steel, like the horizontal beam where you can mount MaxTrax. That part dented pretty well. Already got a new piece in the garage that I put that on. Other than that, I don't think there's really anything else that I'm gonna be looking forward to for Black Friday. I got to get a rear bumper, a high clearance rear bumper, pretty dang soon. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. Oh no, I know what I need. I doubt they'll have a Black Friday sale. I need to get rid of this wiring. I need to get a copyright. I need to get a what's it called, Switch Pro in there, and that's about it for interior wise. Switch Pro would definitely be nice. That way I can get rid of these. And then, like I've already said in my previous videos, my Baja Designs that light bar isn't even hooked up, so the wire is somewhere in here, and I just got to protect it with some wire tape or electrical tape that's been in there for probably about 3 or 4 months. So that doesn't work. Everything else works. I would just like to get that Switch Pro to clean things up. Oh, also, I really want to get, I think either the Alpharex or the Morimoto headlights. I really like how the black's gone, the smoked out look of the headlights, and then these have chrome. It's literally the last bit on my truck that have chrome, or that has chrome. Everything else has been completely chrome deleted, as we've already talked about several times. Oh, some hood struts. If you guys are thinking of some little modifications, I would get some hood struts if I were you. I don't have any, so I have like this 200-pound freaking hood I got to lift up every time I go into there. I'm trying to walk around for you guys because things will pop into my head as I'm walking around. Nah, I love the Alpharex Lux taillights. These things are so sick. The sequential turn signals go with the sequential on the mirror. I mean, on the side of your mirror and on the headlights. If you guys have questions about anything, let me know. I haven't been posting in a while because my truck's been all damaged. So now once it gets back and it's all fixed, I'll be making more videos. I have a few in mind that I need to make. I have my brand new drone I haven't really used. So I'll probably head down to the riverbed, film a couple videos for you guys, and get back on track of uploading more. So take care, and we'll see you on the next video.